So I'm not sure what I'll find, but this ballast was pretty light feeling, so I'm kind of curious to see what's inside. And somewhere on here should say no PCBs. It's hard to look through the camera. Oh, there it is. Right in front of my thumb, right there, no PCBs. So, shouldn't be exciting toxic chemicals in this. Honestly, it's too new of a ballast anyways to have those this small as it is. But this thing was buzzing really bad and stuff, so I figured I don't really want it in the light fixture anymore. Lights weren't lighting up properly. So, swapped out with a different one from a different fixture. And I'm curious to see what's under the hood. I don't recommend doing this. There's probably not anything salvageable or serviceable in here. And even if you wanted to service it, I don't know if it's worth it. I can't imagine these things cost that much. They're just glorified power supplies. Now, I probably shouldn't go any deeper. Do I have my hot stick? Yeah, I have my hot stick still. It doesn't seem like there's any charge anywhere. Oop. No, if you move this too fast, it'll light up. But yeah, it's not charged, I guess. So normally these are potted, which is weird because this one isn't. I don't know why. But yeah, you'll notice there's a clip here that's apparently holding a transistor of some sort against the housing. Interesting note, I don't know what kind of voltage these put out when they're running. I assume it's something high voltage. If I get shocked though, you get to laugh at me for being stupid. Ground wire wasn't held on very well, but just a steel stamped metal can. Oh, that's nice. The bottom appears to be potted. I don't know if it's goopy or if it's hard. Be careful, I'm playing with, the high voltage side. That went flying somewhere. Looks like it's not goopy or hard. It's crumbly, it's sticky. It's like a tacky texture to it. It does have a transistor there. I don't think it's going to be able to see it. Let's see if I can turn the light on without dropping the camera. 4N62K3. I'll have to look that up and put whatever that is in the description. It's like an input fuse, 2 amp, 300 volts. I'm not sure what these different transformers are up to. I don't know, there's 3 sets of diodes there. Or 3 diodes, I should say, not 3 sets. And a resistor. So it doesn't seem like there's a full bridge rectifier in this. It's not doing DC, I don't think. I don't know. But this is input side. Power presumably works its way down the board to output side. I honestly don't know what voltage fluorescent lights run off of. So I'm guessing that this end is stepping up the voltage even higher. And I would assume these are capacitors. That one's labeled C301, C302, CBA. Interesting. I've always known that these ballasts, at least these modern ballasts, are basically just power supplies, but this is the first time where I've had one that wasn't potted shut, so thought it'd be fun to look under the cover, and yeah, hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.